You should avoid expecting instant success because building a business takes time, resilience, and continuous improvement.
Entrepreneurs who embraces the long journey are the ones who thrive. Sa makabuluhang talakayan naman ang pagsasamahan natin mga kanegosyo.
Today, we will specifically discuss the common mistakes that some startups make in their early stages.
Yes, kaya kung isa ka sa mga aspiring entrepreneurs or may sarili ng business, this conversation will definitely help you know the common traps and errors that could either slow down your progress or even lead to business failure. Kaya simulan na natin ang startup.
Now na,
Usapang Payaman, Online Tambayan.
Let's start with the thing that people usually skip due to its lengthy process, market research. You know guys, even with a good business idea, you still have to do this to ensure na mayroong demand sa product na i-offer mo sa market. Sa prosesong ito mo kasi mapapag-aralan yung mga kailangan ng customers, their preferences, the industry trends, and even the competition.
Exactly. Baka kasi mag-invest ka ng time and money sa business na kaunti lang naman ang demand.
Yeah, sayang lang, diba?
Another major mistake that we repeatedly remind our viewers is the importance of business plan. Dito, dagdag trabaho lang. This is a roadmap to stay focused on your goals and strategies in meeting them.
I actually agree. Without one, mahihirapan ka to decide on several things that you will encounter. Yung mga bagay na susupot that will distract or confuse you in the process.
Isa pa sa mga common mistakes ng iba ay ang pagsasawalang bahala ng legal requirements. In the Philippines, napakahalaga ng business registration, taxation, even legal compliance na kapag you fail to adhere to these regulations, pwede kang patawan ng penalties or even magsara ng negosyo.
Yes, and the next challenge is failing to secure funding properly. Marami riyan ina-underestimate yung kailangang kapital to sustain the operations. They only think of the money na needed sa simula. Kaya kapag hindi kumita ang negosyo, magsasara na sila agad kasi wala na silang pangtuloy.
Totoo. Kaya dapat you need to explore business funding options like loans, investors, or even government grants na pwedeng pandagdag puhunan.
Next, we have overlooking customer feedback. To our viewers, never ignore this matter. Ang hindi pag-alam sa saloobin ng iyong customers ay pagkibit-balikat din sa mga impormasyong makatutulong sa'yo to improve your products sa paraang mas tatangkilikin pa nila.
True. Another huge mistake would be not leveraging digital marketing, especially in today's digital world. As a tech-savvy myself, I can see how SEO, social media, can boost your visibility and of course, sales.
Oo nga no, kapag wala kang online presence, mamimiss mo talaga yung chance to reach a wider audience and grow your customer base.
And now perhaps one of the biggest mistake in entrepreneurship is being impatient. Gets naman yung gusto natin umasenso agad. Pero mga kanegosyo, hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon ay tatamaan ka ng swerte kasi hindi agad magpapakita ang kita.
That makes sense. You should avoid expecting instant success because building a business takes time, resilience, and continuous improvement.
And another thing, you should not rush the process. Instead, trust it and continuously reflect on improvements anchored on reality.
Tama, hindi dahil hindi agad kumita, susuko na. Gaya ng sinabi namin sa previous episodes, not all the time things go well. So you have to be proactive in forecasting and making contingency plans.
Remember everyone, success is a journey that takes a lot of patience, persistence, and adaptability. It's never overnight. Sabi nga nila, di ba? Entrepreneurs who embraces the long journey are the ones who thrive.
The mistakes we talked about today are common, but the good news is they can be avoided.
Correct. And with proper planning and research, your business has a higher chance of success. And we hope you learn some valuable insights that could help you with this.
If you found this conversation inspiring, please like, share, and follow our page para updated ka sa mga susunod naming episodes. Ako pong muli si Hannah.
And ako naman si Brian. Thank you for watching Startup!
Now na,
Usapang Payaman, Online Tambayan.
Bye!
Bye! Uwi na.